Welcome to Explain for Everyone. Today we're going to take you on an exhilarating journey through the history, culture, and passion that define the Boston Celtics. Today let's dive into the exciting world of the Boston Celtics, a team that has become synonymous with basketball excellence and a rich legacy. The Boston Celtics are one of the most storied teams in the NBA, the National Basketball Association. Their journey began in 1946, and since then, they have become a symbol of perseverance, skill, and teamwork. They've been around since 1946 and have won a record 17 championships. These victories are not just numbers, they represent countless hours of hard work, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of greatness. The team's colors are green and white, symbolizing the vibrant energy and unity of the team and its fans. And their mascot is Lucky the Leprechaun. Lucky is more than just a mascot, he embodies the spirit and charm of the Celtics, bringing joy and excitement to every game. You might also hear them called the Celts or just Celtics for short. These nicknames reflect the deep connection and affection fans have for the team. The Celtics play their home games at the TD Garden, a place that has witnessed countless unforgettable moments and thrilling victories, located right in the heart of Boston, Massachusetts. The TD Garden is not just a venue, it's a fortress where dreams are made and legends are born. Their fans, known as the Celtics Nation, are some of the most loyal and passionate in all of sports. They bring an unmatched energy and enthusiasm to every game, creating an electrifying atmosphere. During a game, the Celtics have 5 players on the court at a time. Each player brings unique skills and strengths, working together to outmaneuver their opponents. They compete against other NBA teams in a series of games throughout the season. Every game is a test of strategy, skill, and endurance, pushing the players to their limits. Over the years, the Celtics have had some legendary players like Larry Bird, Bill Russell, and Paul Pierce. These icons have not only excelled on the court, but have also inspired generations of fans and players alike. These players have left an indelible mark on the team's history. Their achievements and contributions have helped shape the identity and legacy of the Celtics. Coaching is also a big part of the Celtics' success. The head coach plays a crucial role in guiding the team, developing strategies, and fostering a winning mentality. The head coach leads the team, develops strategies, and helps players improve their skills. Great coaches have the ability to bring out the best in their players, turning potential into performance. One of the Celtics' biggest rivalries is with the Los Angeles Lakers. This rivalry is legendary, filled with intense matchups and dramatic moments that have captivated fans for decades. Their matchups have created some of the most memorable moments in NBA history. These games are more than just contests, they are epic battles that showcase the very best of basketball. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of the Boston Celtics. If you enjoyed learning about the Boston Celtics, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Explained for Everyone content. Stay tuned for more exciting stories and insights from the world of sports. See you next time.